Good morning students. Today we are going to study in SST lesson 3 means of transport. Okay. So open your book.
Good morning students. I hope all are fine and studying well. Today we are going to study lesson number class 3rd SST. Okay, as you have this book, open lesson number 3. What is the lesson name? Means of transport. Okay, this lesson we are going to study. So first of all we need to know what is transport. Okay, first question comes to us in this lesson, that what is transport. Transport is the way by which people and goods are carried from one place to another place using some type of vehicles. Okay, that is called transport system. Transport is the way by which people and goods are carried from one place to another place using some vehicles. Okay, so question comes that what is the need of transport? That is transport. Okay, but what is the need of transport? In the olden times, as we study about old period time history, as we study that people in the olden times were traveling from one place to another place, whether they had to go to the market or anywhere, or less distance nearby they had to go, or far distance they had to go, from one city to another city also they had to go. They had to go by walk only. There was no any type of transport system. Okay, as we see different type of transport system now. Okay, so what is the need of transport? We need to think about present time also. As you are going, as students, you have to go to the school. Then you may have to go, or your parents may have to go to market to buy some things. Then you need to go sometime to visit your friends or relative house. Okay, your parents have to go for some work or job. Okay, somewhere. Then every day, that is. Then sometime we go to visit another cities or some historical place. Okay, so there are different reasons for going from one place to another place. Okay, and also we need to carry some things also along with us. As we go, we cannot go empty hand. Suppose we are going from one place to another place. Okay, so now we will study about means of transport. There are different types of means of transport now. Mainly there are three types. Of means of transport. Okay, that is land transport, water transport and air transport. Okay, so changes in means of transport. First of all, we need to study about changes in the means of transport. How changes came in the means of transport. In the older times, as I told you, and as we study in the history, we come to know that people were traveling from one place to another place just by walk only. They did not know about wheel. Discovery of wheel was not invented. Then any transport system was not there. So they did not have any option except for walking, whether they had to go nearby or far distance also. Then after some time, what happened? The discovery of wheel was there. So people discovered the wheel. As we study about early humans, we come to know about the invention of wheel. Then they used, first of all, what people were doing, just by going by walk, or suppose they had to send some things from one place to another place, they used to load on the animals, tame animals, and those animals used to carry the things from one place to another place. Then when the people came to know about wheel, okay, when they discovered the wheel, then they used by that wheel some type of vehicle which is made by wood and wheel. So those wheel vehicle was carried by animals only. After some time, slowly people had technology, knowledge, and slowly they invented different means of transport by using that wheel system. So nowadays we see different type of transport system, as we see bus, cycle, scooter, train, aeroplane. Different type of means of transport are there. So first of all, we will study about land transport. Mostly in the whole world, okay, most of the people use land transport. like bus or um, nowadays bike most people use, okay, for going to office or anywhere. Then suppose they have to go far distance, okay, then they carry they used to go by bus, okay, or by train. So land transport, as we are studying, so there are two ways for land transport. One is roadways, another one is railways. So on roadways there are different type of transport, okay, transport system: cycle, motorcycle, tractors in the village area, okay. Then in city and town area, okay, fastest means of transport is there, like bus, car, a scooter, taxi, auto rickshaw, and different type of transport system are there. Then railways. So railway is the cheapest, cheaper than the bus, okay, bus system or some other vehicles. So suppose we have to go far distance, we used to travel by train, because that is little cheap also, and in that we feel more comfortable, more than bus also, or more than other vehicle. That is not, train is not jumping so much as we see, as the bus or some other vehicles are jumping on the road when we move from one place to another place. So suppose we have to go to big cities from here to, from Bhabua to Delhi or Kolkata or Mumbai or anywhere, or from one place to another place for a far distance, people used to go by train. Then water system. Water transport is another type of transport, which is the cheapest means of transport since earlier time. Okay, there is boat, steamers, and different other type of transport system is there now. Then air transport. Air transport is the fastest mode of transport, but which is very costly. So very few people are traveling by that one. Those who are able to pay the amount of those tickets for air transport. Okay. So suppose in air transport there are two types. One is within the country, okay. Another one is domestic and international airways are there, okay. So domestic airways means, suppose we have to go from Delhi to Mumbai or Delhi to Chennai or anywhere, then we used to go by domestic transport, domestic aeroplane, okay. Then suppose we have to go from one country to another country, we use international air transport. We used to go by international air transport, okay. So I hope that you understood this lesson, and when you will read nicely, you will be able to understand. After that, one word answer is there, then answer the following is there. These all things you study well the lesson, and you will be able to understand. Okay, thank you.